Hi, back again. Quick job tonight after work. So we were going to originally keep this fireplace. We're still going to keep this fireplace as an ornament and probably install it into one of the bedrooms, not connected to the flue. But we've now decided that we're going to put another multi-fuel stove in here just because they're safer and more energy efficient. So I'll probably do a video later on describing how to install a multi-fuel stove. So there's a few things been going on lately. So over the last few weeks I've been putting some plans together for the loft conversion. So I've now submitted a document to the Darlington Council, something called a lawful development certificate. And what that is a certificate to say that we can convert the loft without needing planning permission, which hopefully should be a fairly straightforward process. So once I hear back from the council and make sure I've done everything right, I'll talk through how I've done that. Once we've also got the lawful development certificate back, I'm then going to register for some building notices. So to comply with building regulations, when you come to sell the house, you need to install your log burners in compliance with building control. So you apply for a building notice, basically you put it in, install it, commission it, test it, and then the council come and sign it off if you're not basically a registered company. So I'm going to need to apply for a building notice for the multi-fuel stove in the front room, a building notice for the multi-fuel stove in this room. I'm going to rewire the property as well, so I'll need a building notice again for that, because I'm not partly registered. And then another building notice again for the loft conversion. And like I say, once I get down that process and I make sure I've done everything correctly, I'll talk a bit about that. So tonight's task is basically taking the fireplace out, just so I can have a look at the opening. Then I need to order some lintels. I need to get some acro props and stuff like that ordered as well. So there's a concrete lintel in there. Looks like the original lintel's been up here at some point. So we'll probably put the original lintel back in. Yeah, you can see the original opening, sort of like that, which that's 660. I think, can you remember what width the fireplaces were we were looking at, the smaller ones? The internal
415. Well, no, the actual fire itself was 415.
Yeah, so the stoves themselves are obviously about the size of that opening there, so that's not an issue. So we might get away with just opening it to the bricks, but obviously we're putting a wooden surround, so it's opening it enough to get the wooden surround in. Yeah, that's supported there, but I will put something in there just temporarily. Some sort of animal born in the fireplace?
No.
Probably a big bird, hopefully. The tiles, I've got them all up intact. I'm not 100% convinced they'll get used anywhere else, but you never know. I bought this the other week. It's a Titan TTB 350. It's a 1300 watt vacuum cleaner. It's got a bag in it, filter in it, but it's up to now it's been excellent for stuff like this where you're getting a bit of debris and stuff, so quite pleased with it. I'm not saying that if anyone blocked it. just a bit of rock in the intake. So that's the fireplace opening. We haven't found the surround yet, but what I'll do is I'll find the surround and then I'll open it up to suit the surround. Like I say, we'll be putting a lintel in, probably a little bit of brickwork, new hearth and stuff to go in. There's the fireplace we've taken out, so it's all come out intact. Like I say, I may end up putting that in the bedroom, probably not connected to a flue, but more as an ornament. Paint it up and it might look nice. Nice honey wawa enjoying the sun.